highly recommend their services to any organization seeking a reliable payroll solutions. My name is May. I'm from the People's Operation team. Veson Nautical is a software company for the commercial marine industry. My responsibilities include supporting HR activities associated with the employment lifecycle for our APAC region and oversee the Singapore office management. As our finance team is in US, we need some help locally to process our payroll. We were smaller when we partnered with PayrollServe. And now we are at 49 employees and still growing. I feel at ease with a reliable team, and as I am locally based, the team support has greatly assisted us with ad hoc cases timely. Whenever we have urgent matters, we know we are able to pick up the phone and talk to the team. Elena has always been responsive, professional, and always ready to assist with any queries. Even when she was away from her desk, she will make sure she returned the call after she's back. Thus, the support from the team is what we value most. PayrollServe has proven to be a trusted partner, and we highly recommend their services to any organization seeking a reliable payroll solutions.